Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in chemistry, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. First of all, we are going to see the principle. It is impossible to determine the exact position and the exact momentum or velocity of a moving small particle, for example, electron and proton simultaneously. Now we are going to see the equations where x indicates a position of particle, p indicates momentum of particle, p is equal to product of m into v, where m indicates a mass of particle, v indicates velocity of particle. Then the product of delta x into delta p greater than or equal to h by 4 by, or it's also equal to h by 2. Then delta x, the delta p is equal to, it's a product of mass into delta v, then delta x into m into delta v greater than or equal to h by 4 by, it's also equal to h by 2. Then delta x into delta v greater than or equal to h by 4 by m, it's also equal to h cap divided by 2m. Then in the case of energy, delta into delta t greater than or equal to h by 4 by equal to h by 2, where h is a reduced Planck constant, its value is equal to h by 2 by. Now delta x is equal to uncertainty in position of the particle. Delta p indicates a uncertainty in momentum of the particle. Delta v indicates a uncertainty in velocity of the particle. Delta indicates a uncertainty in energy of the particle. Delta t indicates a uncertainty in time. Okay, now we are going to see the condition. What is the conditions? In these equations, we are going to use a symbol greater than or equal to. It means the product of delta x into delta p is equal to the value of h by 4 by, or the product of delta x into delta p greater than the value of h by 4 by, but its value, the product of delta x into delta p never less than h by 4 by. That is an important condition in the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Now we are going to see the significance of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Point number 1. This principle is valid only for that of microscopic particle like electron and proton, not for that of macroscopic particle. So this principle is valid only for the very small particles like electron, proton, molecule. So it is not valid for the macroscopic particle like the big particles. Point number 2. This principle is also called the principle of indeterminacy. Okay, it ruled out the existence of definite paths or the trajectories of the electrons. It means according to Bohr concept of atom, the electrons are revolved around the circular path around the nucleus. Those circular paths are called orbit. But according to this principle, it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and momentum of a moving tiny particle. Therefore, the position of the electrons are now not significant. Okay. Third one, in this view of this principle, Bohr's model is untenable because it was omitted. It is impossible to know the position of the moving tiny particles like electron. So we cannot predict the position and momentum of an electron. But it is possible to predict the probability of location of electron. Therefore, it is possible to tell the probability where will be the electron by using the coordinates r is equal to function of x, y, z and the time. Therefore, this principle is very, very important because it ruled out the old Bohr's model of atom. Okay, students, this is an important video. Watch it, use it and share with your friends. Thank you.